at the porridge pot to stop now! SuperWhy to the rescue! With the power to read, I can change the story and save the day! Let's change the words drop, drop, drop in the sentence. Let's zap it. Zap, zap, zap! Why, writer? Right! Super readers, which word should the little girl say? Wiggle, spin, or stop? Let's try spin. Which is the word spin? It has the letter N at the end.
That one!
There it is! Now, let's zap it into the sentence. Ready, set, zap! 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 Let's read. Little girl said spin.
Okay, here it comes. Starts right now.
Now
Here it comes now. I'm so excited.
Time to say spin, spin.
Helicopter, helicopter, copter. Oh my god, that was funny.